Hello everyone, welcome to my web development course. In this lesson, I will teach you how to use gradient. First, let's go to our style, remove this and this. Next, type div, then gradient, close tag div. Next, go to your style, type div, then background equals green. Save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. Next, let's type height 250px, save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. Next, let's type background. This is for Safari users. Background WebKit linear gradient. Next, green, then blue for Safari. Next is background, then linear gradient, green, blue, then this is for Opera. Then next is background Moz linear gradient, green and then blue. This is for Firefox. Then the last one is background linear gradient, green then blue. This is for standard syntax. Save it, refresh your browser, and it's working. That's it. See you guys in my next lesson. Thank you.